Hello everyone. If your Microsoft Store is not opening on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Microsoft Store not loading or opening on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run and you're going to write here WSReset.exe, and once you do that, your Microsoft Store will reset itself and then it will open. As you can see, mine just fixed itself. But if that doesn't fix your issue, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here services.msc. And then you're going to find here Microsoft Store install service. So here it is. You're going to right click on it, go into properties, and you're going to set it to automatic. Click stop on here if it's running, or if it's not running, you're going to click start. But I'm going to click stop now. Press OK. You're going to right click on it again, go into properties. Now you're going to click start on here. Click OK again, and that should fix your issue. Now when you open up Microsoft Store on your computer, you can see Microsoft Store will work fine. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.